Ever wondered about the amazing world of birds? Join me as we dive into 5 fascinating facts that will leave you amazed. From flightless parrots to mirror-savvy pigeons and birds that mimic chainsaws, let's explore the incredible behaviors of these feathered wonders. Kakapos are large parrots from New Zealand that cannot fly. They are rare and weigh a lot. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors, just like some other animals can. Lyrebirds in Australia can mimic sounds such as chainsaws and car alarms. Arctic terns travel from North Pole to South Pole and back each year, covering about 44,000 miles. Hoatzin in the Amazon have a unique stomach that gives them a bad smell, so people call them stinkbirds.